overview of my serum, boosters, essences, empties, which I use for the last 6 months. So I'm gonna categorize them into different groups, and let me start it. First category are the peptide serum. Peptides are really important ingredient inside your skin. So for example, if you are using retinol, you want peptides as well, because retinol is gonna reveal the younger skin, but peptides gonna tell your skin to renew as well. While I was using peptides and retinol together, my irritation wasn't really visible, or I should say it, my skin wasn't irritated. So yes, I did enjoy the peptides, and I will put them into my skincare routine. What I got here is the Paula's Choice Peptide Booster, which, okay, here's the box for it. Now, since they repackage, they also color coordinated their products. So the peptides comes in like a, I don't know, reddish color. I didn't mind it, was fine. The texture is like a milky serum, similarly as with the Snoxin from Indeed Labs. And one of the newest products on the market is the number 7 booster serum with Snoxin. Snoxin, it's a type of protein. I think here's like 7 times more than in the usual serums. Now, if I would repurchase, the big question is if I'm gonna repurchase. I still have 2 of the number 7 because I bought them while I was in Europe, and I just repurchased 2 of the Indeed Lab, but now they're called differently. So yes, I do have refills for those. With the Paula's Choice for right now, I will say no. Paula's Choice for right now, no, I will not repurchase. However, if I run out of those 2, I don't mind rebuying the Paula's Choice. Okay, let's just move on. Next category are the hydrating serums. Most of the time they have hyaluronic acid because hyaluronic acid binds moisture into your skin. And once you put the moisturizer on top of it, it will keep the moisture inside. But let me show you what I use so far. That's the sample of the Aqualia serum, which is the big one. That's the L'Oreal Revitalift, and also sample of the Skin Ceuticals hyaluronic acid. No, booster. Here we go, hyaluronic acid levels. Now, because it's a sample, I couldn't really tell if I like it or not, but the texture of it was like a jelly slime, so yes, it was weird. The sample lasts me for 2 times, and the results is like using regular hyaluronic acid but on a boosters. I should say a little bit improved. Now, because it's Skin Ceuticals, the brand itself is really expensive, so I guarantee it's gonna be like $100. So no, I will not buy a full size. Now, more affordable is the L'Oreal Revitalift with 1.5 hyaluronic acid. For a drugstore price, it's close to $30. So yes, it is kind of expensive. However, because it's L'Oreal, most of the time you can buy it on sale, and also it's available in majority of the drugstore and any other stores. Then we have the Paula's Choice Hyaluronic Acid Booster with ceramides, which comes with a little pump. Oh yeah, this one was coming with a pipette. This one comes in a pump. Now the texture of them was similar. Then we have Trader's Joe Hyaluronic Serum Booster. I will say this one was the least expensive. I got the Vichy Aquathermal. Now this was more of a milky serum. Like the other 3 was a clear gel. So for example, I'm sure you can still see it in here. Yeah, it's like a jelly. This one, it was more of a milky serum. Next one is the Vichy Thermal Water. Was fine. I didn't know where to put it into my skincare routine, so I just used it as a toner. It was nice and refreshing, but no, I will not rebuy it. Now, going back to those 4 items, if you want to start somewhere, go with the Trader Joe. However, if you want something more, no, I'm not going to say high-end, a little bit step up, it's either Paula's Choice or L'Oreal. However, Paula's Choice, it's more cheaper than L'Oreal, but the L'Oreal, you can easily buy it and sell. And also, like the Paula's Choice, it's only 15 ml. This one, it's 30, so you're getting double in the L'Oreal. And the bottle did last me for a little bit. Okay, we talk about this. And now Vichy, I like this one after I put my vitamin C serum, because C serum, yes, is good for your skin because it's work for pigmentation, it's antioxidant. However, it leaves a little bit of a sticky formula, so you want to apply milky serum on top of it. So yes, I do enjoy the product. Now, which one I would repurchase, or I already did, which is the Vichy, because I have a couple bottles of it. Trader Joe, no. It is a nice item if you're on the budget or you want to try hyaluronic acid, but no, I will not repurchase. With Paula's Choice, similar as with the Ceramide Booster, unless it's on sale, well, I will repurchase, but for right now, no. But yes, it is affordable because of the small amount. And the L'Oreal, I think I already have another bottle. So yes, for sure, I will buy those 2. Okay, a last shelf left, so let's just give it a go. First one is the Paula's Choice Niacinamide. Yes, I do like it because it does improve texture of your skin and you can really see the improvement. So yes, as you can see, I already went through 2 bottles, and yes, I do have a backup. And niacinamide is one of those ingredients where you will see the improvement, and most of the time the expensive companies will put that ingredients in their products. Then we have 2% BHA liquid, and yes, I do like it. BHA, it's for blackheads, the way how I describe them. AHA, it's for the dry skin, and BHA, it's for the blackheads. So yes, I do like it. Paula's Choice has a liquid and gel version. I'm not a fan of the gel because the gel leaves like the extra layer, which is a little bit sticky, and I don't like that feeling. So I prefer the liquid. That's the sample, and I don't mind repurchasing the full size. Okay, we're gonna move on to the vitamin C serums. I have one from Pixi and one from Avalon. The Pixi, it's a nice alternative to the Paula's Choice, which I don't have it here, but it's more affordable. It does the job, it smells nice. However, once you open the bottle, you want to finish it because it will oxidize and change the color. But yes, I don't mind buying it again. The next one is the Avalon. It's their serum with vitamin C. Meaning it has a bunch of good ingredients, but then the vitamin C, it's almost at the end. So unless you're looking for something simple to put on your face, you can go for it, but otherwise, as a vitamin C serum itself, no, I will not recommend. Alright, next one are the night serums. So I have a sample of the Advanced Night Repair and also a small, I should say, travel size. I went through many bottles of it and I do like it. It's one of those items which become a classic. Technically, it was the first serum on the market. What it does, it repairs your skin while you're sleeping. One of the main ingredients is hyaluronic acid. Yes, I do like it and I already repurchased a full size. It's one of my staple items. Which yes, I will keep using. Then we have Paula's Choice 1% retinol, which is kind of strong, but it's a nice luxurious formula and over the counter. So if you don't want to go to dermatologist and ask for a prescription retinol, This one, it's worth trying. However, because it's so strong, you want to go easy. Let's say start once a week, then be twice, and slowly introduce. Yes, it is strong, so you want to follow up with peptides and then, I know, something calming. Yes, I do like it. However, it's expensive. But in the meantime, I use up the retinol from Indeed Lab. And if you watch my haul, I already repurchased 2 more because yes, I did enjoy the product and it's cheaper than the Paula's Choice. Because it's so gentle, I can use it every other night or every night. It's up to you. But yes, I do like it and I already repurchased. Next item are the Peter Thomas Roth Clinical Infusion Pads. So pretty much those are the regular pads with retinol. So let's say if you are on the go or you don't have time to wait for your retinol to dry, you can easily try them out. Yes, I do like them. They're kind of powerful. Now this one comes in a set, so I think there was like 10 or 15 or 20. But I bought 2 sets, so I have 1 more to go to. Unfortunately, they're kind of pricey. So unless you are in a need for something convenient, you can go for it. But otherwise, just go with the regular item. But otherwise, just buy yourself a retinol product. Now, what I will repurchase from here is the Advanced Nail Repair. And I already did the Indeed Lab. Now, with the pads, I have 1 more jar to go to. But unless it's on sale, no, I will not rebuy it. And similarly as with the Paula's Choice, which is for sure is $50, could be more. Unless I'm gonna run out of my Indeed Lab, I don't mind buying this one if it's gonna be on sale. If you wanna be gentle for your skin, you can easily use something less stronger or something gentle more often than the powerful stuff, because at the end, you're still gonna end up with the same results. What I'm trying to say, you can either try something strong and get the results fast, or go with something gentle and after a while you're gonna end up with the same features. Lastly are the serums, where I didn't know where to put them, so they have their own category. This is Time Revolution from Misha. It's a dupe for the SK2. No, it's a toner with, I think, was yeast extracts. Was fine. I didn't mind it because it's Misha. It's like at least few times cheaper than the SK2. So I'm considering buying a full size. From Physician Formula, we have their boosting vitamin shot, which was fun. It comes with a little bit, which you can still see it. I didn't mind it. However, I rather try their bottle. I didn't mind it, however, I want to try their blue serum, or the one which comes in a blue bottle and supposed to hydrate. But otherwise, it was fine. But no, I will not repurchase. Next one is the Origins Serum with White Tea. It's supposed to be anti-aging. What I like about this one, it was milky and also smooth your skin. So it was perfect underneath the makeup. It did smell nice. I have full size previously, and now I will not repurchase because right now there are so many different products on the market to try. So now I will pass it along. I'm gonna give it a pass. And then we have goat milk serum from Jaya, and similarly as with this one, it has a milk consistency, and because it's with goat milk, it did kind of hydrate and smooth the skin. I already have few backups because I stack up on certain items while I was in Europe, but let me show you what I will repurchase. Earlier I said the items I will repurchase, and also those are the winners, and a short overview why. This one, besides having peptides and the matrixyl, it does works with your fine lines, or yeah, pretty much works with the lines on your skin, and you will see improvement in your skin. Then we have hyaluronic acid from L'Oreal. I will repurchase because it comes in a big size and bottle lasts you for a while. I already repurchased the one from Indeed Lab. It's a gentle retinol serum. I'm gonna buy the full size of the Misha intense, what was it? Treatment Essence, here we go. I already have a full size of the Night Repair. It's a good night serum. I don't mind in the future buying the Paula's Choice Retinol, even though it's stronger than the Indeed Lab. Snoxin, it's a nice gentle peptide serum. I already repurchased a full size. Vichy, it's a nice milky serum, which you can, it's up to you when you want to use it, day or night. But yes, it's worth giving a try. With the retinol pads, unless it's on a good deal, give it a try. But yes, I have one more jar of it. Pixi Vitamin C, it's a nice alternative for the Paula's Choice, which costs almost double. The BHA, for sure I'm gonna repurchase a big size. And yeah, I already have a backup of the Niacinamide booster. Those are the items which I do enjoy, and I don't mind buying a full size or repurchasing. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I see you guys next time. Bye!